Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is BLACKDECKER Lopper chainsaw. If you're looking for more power than a manual saw, this corded electric option from BLACKDECKER could be a great fit. Its unique clamping jaw does most of the work for you, unlike typical chainsaws which require the user to apply enough pressure to make the cut. The corded power supply makes this less portable than manual saws, but if your pruning projects are close by, it shouldn't be much of an issue as long as safety precautions are taken first. Our second best pruning saw is Corona RS7510D pruning saw. The Corona 18-inch saw is perfect for cutting through large branches or limbs, and can cut up to 10 inches in diameter. It has a D-shaped handle which allows you to generate power while operating it, and also be used two-handed if needed for extra leverage. The impulse hardened teeth are triple ground for maximum cutting efficiency, along with a heat-treated blade makes this saw a durable tool that should last quite a while. Plus its high visibility handle helps keep track of where it's been left behind. Each tooth is triple ground, providing multifaceted angles to maximize efficiency of cuts and removal of wood. High carbon Japanese SK5 steel blade provides exceptional hardness. Impulse hardened teeth and a heat treated blade make it last season after season. Chrome finish coat provides smooth cutting action and blade resilience. Third pick in our list is Silky Professional Big Boy. This Silky saw is priced higher than any other manual saws on our list, but if you're looking for a high-quality tool that will slice through branches with ease, it could be worth the price tag. This professional handsaw combines superior performance and ergonomics with high-quality design. The double fist rubber handle is easy to grip, and the blade itself can be folded down. Store the handsaw in your pocket, glove compartment, toolbox, or storage case easily. The extended rubber handle provides a secure grip while you work and can also be used two hands as well. Along with its lightweight construction and 5.5 triple ground teeth per inch blade, this product is perfect for cutting through limbs without much effort at all. Plus the lanyard hole in the handle makes storage easy when not in use. This carbon steel blade attachment was designed to be light enough to provide a smooth cut through harder objects without the teeth catching or getting stuck partway through. With this high-quality blade, you can complete difficult jobs far more effectively than with an average saw blade.
The Silky Big Boy 2000 saw is the ultimate outdoor adventurer's tool. With its 14.2-inch blade and rubber cushion double fist handle, you'll have all the cutting power you need at your fingertips. The Big Boy is equipped with a perfectly balanced, uniquely shaped, nickel-plated blade. The low-angle curve on the blade enables cutting branches smoothly and quickly as the extra-large cutting teeth naturally dive into the wood fibers on the pull stroke. Like all Silky saws, the Big Boy features impulse-hardened and taper-ground teeth for easier and faster cutting performance and improved durability. The long rubberized handle is comfortable to hold with one or both hands, reduces vibration, and offers superior grip when your hands are wet, cold, or wearing gloves. The Big Boy 2000 is ideal for trail building, car camping, snowmobiling, and other motorized outdoor adventures in the woods.
Number 4 in our side is WORX WG320 cordless chainsaw. This WORX saw is battery powered, which means it can be used anywhere. It also has safety measures to keep the blade in place and away from the user's hands or feet when they're cutting. Plus, this blade chews through branches up to 4 inches in diameter thanks to its auto tension mechanism and tightens as needed so you never have an inefficient cut. This is the only chainsaw with a protective guard this extensive. Not only that, when idle, the blade actually withdraws into the neck for an added layer of safety, so you'll never have an exposed chainsaw just lying around. The steel teeth on the mouth of the jaw saw grab the branch, keeping it in place for easier cutting. And the housing allows you to cut branches directly on the ground. With traditional chainsaws, you have to prop them up to perform the same task. Number 5 in our top 5 best pruning saw list is Corona RS7265D Razor Tooth. This saw has a triple ground blade and 7-inch long teeth, making it ideal for cutting through pruning projects. In addition to its ergonomic handle, this saw is lightweight and can cut branches up to 6 inches in diameter due to chrome plating, which decreases friction while the blade cuts. The convenient hangout on the handle allows you to use string or nails when storing your tool. The Corona Clipper 7-inch folding razor tooth saw is designed to cut easily through small to medium-sized branches. The professional style saw folds for safe transportation and easy storage. The unit's razor tooth curved blade design cuts faster and cleaner than conventional saws for increased plant health and less pruning effort. The self-cleaning chrome blade is both corrosion resistant and replaceable for longer life. Additionally, the razor teeth are 3-sided for increased efficiency and impulse hardened for exceptional durability and strength. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.